Hey guys, welcome to Brown Outdoors. Today I'm going to be showing you all the materials and tools you need to be using to make a wooden sawhorse. You guys can go out and buy sawhorses, but the regular price on one of these is about maybe $30 or so. I used some different stuff for this, so I used about $40, but your average price is in between $30 and $40. So the tools you'll be needing to use is a impact drill, a regular drill with 1/4 inch bit. Oh guys, you need a 25 star bit too for this. And then you'll need a claw hammer, a small Stanley level, doesn't matter what brand, I'm just using Stanley. And then a bigger Stanley level, doesn't matter what brand, I'm just using Stanley. Doesn't matter. Then the other tool you'll be using is a saw, a hand saw or a table saw, doesn't matter, and a tape measure. Those are the tools you'll be using for this build. So I'll be putting the measurements down in the description. If you guys want to look at all the measurements you'll need to be using for this. So we'll start off by the top right here. These are 47 inches long. Get that down. They're 47 inches, and right over here, screws right here, that's 2.5 inches long. And you always want to make sure your screws are down low, so when you go through the wood, you will not be hitting your screws. And also right there, this right here is a 10-inch 2x4. Doesn't matter what brand, just 2x4. And then you'll want to screw that in. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's 2 screws under here. Those are just 2.5. You can use 2-inch, but I use 2.5 to make it more sturdier. And then you'll be doing that the other side too. Then with your little level, you'll want to tape measure right there. That is 5.5 inches long, and you want to measure that as 2 3/4 right here. There's a little dash right there, and then up here, your bigger one. This is your 2x4. That is 1.5 inches wide, and then you want to put 3 3/4 right there, and line that up right in there. And then you'll do the same on the back right there. And you guys can use your level to make sure this is level inside, or you guys can put it right in there, doesn't matter. And then do the other side, so there'll be 2 sides, 147 and 147 2x4s. You'll need 2 of them. 8-foot 2x4 costs about maybe $5. The price has gone up a lot, but it's okay. So then right here, your legs, these are 37 inches long, and I have 4 of them, 4 legs. So that's what you'll be doing with them. It's right here, that's 2.5 inch screws, and you want to pre-drill them so your wood will not split. That's optional, I just did it because I don't want to be using a lot of wood and wrecking all my wood. Then down here, you'll want that to be 3-inch screws, because right over there kind of gets a little long. That kind of split right there because I didn't pre-cut that one. That was a mistake of mine. And right over here, this is a 47-inch 2x6, and that is just screwed into the bottom right there. And then you guys can put tools or something on there, whatever. You can set tools on there, doesn't matter. You guys can put clamps on there. You guys could hang your hammers from right here, like that. And you'll want to be using your big level to make sure all this is level, because I had to readjust these legs because I was on sawhorses, because those are my old ones. They were on sawhorses and they weren't, I couldn't tell if they were level or not because I was getting everything on there. I forgot to do that. And then you can make sure your 2x6 is level, Make sure these are 10-inch. Make sure all that's level. And yeah, so hope you guys liked this build. And if you did, like and subscribe, and I will be seeing you guys next time. Peace!